Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. And I have my special guest, Mr. Cha-Cha, here today. So if you would like to stick around with me and check out how I accomplished this cut crease look today, then please keep watching. Let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, hold on. Let's get these curls out of the face so we have no distractions and we can apply this makeup with ease. And the face. First, I'm going to pick up my Neutrogena Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer. This also has micro clear technology. After I put this on all my blemishes, all the scary places, take my fingers, and I'm going to blend it out really good into the skin. Also from Neutrogena, I'm using the Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. I've actually used this product for years. I absolutely love it for the under eye. Then to prime my eyes, I'm picking up the Tarte Shape Tape, and my shade is in Light Medium Honey. And then again, just blend that out with my fingers, then set it with my Airspun Naturally Neutral Loose Face Powder, and I'm using my Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. Okay, so how many of you do not have this Urban Decay Born to Run palette? You need to go get it. This palette is absolutely amazing, and I'm so excited to use it again for today's look. So the first color we're picking up is Weekender, and very sloppily all over the lid apply this color. Then moving on to RIFF, and I'm going to focus this color into the crease all the way from the outer to inner corner. Then we're going to move on to Good As Gone, and we're just going to focus this color in the outer third, making like a little V shape, and just keep deepening that color as you go. Now picking up the Tarte Shape Tape again, and a brush that's really good for cream eyeshadows. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting that crease. Now for my eyes, since they are hooded, I have to go up a little bit higher than the actual fold in my eyelid. Once you have finished putting the concealer on, you're now going to pick up Big Sky and just pack that color right on top of where we lay down the concealer, and just keep adding and adding until you have achieved your desired intensity. The next color is Wanderlust. This is absolutely my favorite shimmer shade in the palette. So we're just going to keep this shadow on the outer third, that nice V, and then once we place that down, pick up a blending brush and blend it out. Now moving on to the liquid eyeliner, I'm using today my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, and I'm doing about a medium size length wing today. As for falsies, I'm doing it. So for today, I'm using a pair of Ardell false eyelashes, and these are Demi Wispies. Contour, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to go ahead and chisel up them cheeks a little bit, bring it up into my temples, across my forehead. Across the forehead, I really got to make sure I try to get up into my hairline so you don't see that drastic like tan and then white, and then of course the jawline and under my chin. Then blush time. So e.l.f. it is today, and I'm using, this color is in Pink Passion. I love this because it's not too intense. I love when blushes sometimes aren't too intense because I want this to focus more on my eyes right now, and e.l.f. is perfect for that. Then mascara. I'm going to give one really quick coat of mascara on my eyelashes with the Monsieur Big from Lancome. For the bottom lash line, we're going to go ahead and sloppily put RIFF all the way from inner and outer corner. Then we're going to move on to Punk, focus this on the outer third, and then some Wanderlust, oh yeah, and focus that to the outer third and kind of connect it into the wing. Then jumping back into the concealer, I'm going to apply some of this right on the bottom lash line in the middle, and then I'm going to take a pencil brush, I'm going to pack on Big Sky right there over the concealer. Just keep packing and packing and packing. Then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to pick up Stranded and add that, a whole bunch, so we shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Then for the waterline on the bottom, I'm going to go and pick up from Urban Decay their 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Mildew. Then I'm going to pick up Maybelline Lash Discovery for the bottom lash line, and then for my setting spray, the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. And then fan it out, fan it out. Oh boy, next highlight. This is like my favorite highlight in the world. So again, from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Amrezy highlighter, like, oh my gosh, poor Cha-Cha. But I'm gonna take this highlighter, put on my cheekbones, and also the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, and I cannot forget, sexy, sexy time, Cupid's bow. Yes, I love it. Now lastly, I'm going to slap on some liquid lipstick, and this is from Kat Von D, her Everlasting Liquid Lipstick line, and this is in Lolita, one of my top 3 favorite colors from Kat Von D. Then it's time to diffuse. Look at that. I'm done. And that is it. That's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and checking out this makeup look today. I hope that you give it a try. And if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, please subscribe. All right, you guys, all of my makeup lovers and curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday. Join me for a new video. All right, guys, take care. Bye. I'm trying to put my lashes on, Cha-Cha. Thanks for pooping on me, Cha-Cha. Okay, wait, what am I doing? Oh, yes.
Then why did you sacrifice your hand for her life? What is that if not love?
Duty.
Duty.
Boom. Oh, Rudolph the Gold-Nosed Reindeer.